These images are generated by Midjourney AI. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create these type of images for free and make the passive income by selling it on Stock Images website. I am starting off by searching Discord on Google and open this first website. Click here and enter your username. It will give you a captcha, fill it and hit the verify. Confirm your date of birth. Create your Discord server and now click on create server. Enter your topic. Give the email verification. Go to your Gmail and verify. Once you verify your email, go to Google and search for Bluewillow.ai and join the free beta. It will direct you to Discord application. Accept the invite, verify your information. Now it is ready for use. Hit the /imagine and write your prompt. As you can see, I have generated these images. You can also use ChatGPT for prompt. If you want to use it private, scroll for Bluewillow profile and click on its icon. Add your server and click on continue and authorize. Fill the captcha. Again click on profile icon and send message, and that's it. You can also use it privately. Hope this tutorial is useful to you. For that, hit the subscribe button and like the video.